Hi, I'm Lian, and for today's Asynchronic, I will do two exercises with the tables of amortization. So I will share a screen to make every steps of the table. Okay, so first of all, we need to put the numbers in every thing here. So the first exercise says, in order to buy a car, Andrew asked for a loan of $10,000 payable during 3 years with semi-annual payments and an interest rate of 12% compounded semi-annually. Find the amount of every payment and the amortization table. So the principal is 10,000. Then the rate is 12%, but we need to put it in decimals, so it's 0.12. Now the final balance, it always be 0. The period is 6 because it's 3 years and it's semi-annually, that is 2 times per year. So it's 3 times 2 is 6. Now the payment, we have the formula here and it's this one. Rate, comma, period, comma, principal, comma, and the final balance. And here you have the payment of every period. In the first one, we only need to put the principal. Okay. And here we need to put the same payment in every period. So we will copy this. Okay, and now we need to find the interest, principal, and balance of every period. For the interest, we need to multiply balance, the last balance, minus the last balance times 0.12, that is the rate. Then in the principal, it needs to be payment minus interest. And last one is the last balance plus the principal. And then you will repeat the same formulas in every period. We will do it here. And is and finally here it needs to be 0. So if we do balance plus principal, the answer needs to be 0, like here. And so this is correct. And this is how you can do the first exercise with the table of amortization. Now, in the second exercise, We have the principal. Now the rate that is 8%, but if we put it in decimals, it will be 0.08. The final balance 0.2. The periods are 5 years with annual payment, so it will be 5 periods. And finally, the payment with the formula of payment. That is rate, comma, periods, comma, principal, comma, and finally the final balance. So this is our payment in every period. So we will copy this in every period. Okay. And the balance will be the same of the principal in the period 0, like this. Now we need to find the interest, principal, and balance too of every period, and we need to use the formula that is interest is minus balance, the last balance, times 0.08, that is the rate. Now, payment minus interest. And finally, the last balance plus the principal. And that you will repeat it in every period. Balance plus principal, last balance times 0.08 is minus. I always forget the minus. Payment minus interest, and then last balance plus principal. And repeat the same. Balance times 0.08 minus balance times 0.8, then payment minus this. Wait, something here is wrong. This one is minus balance 0.0. Okay, there you go. Then is this minus this. Okay. Then is if it's okay. Here is minus, right? I. Is minus. This minus this. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Okay. Minus the last one times 0.08. And then minus this. Okay, so we will do it like there. Okay, no, yeah, it's okay. Balance times 0.0 minus. I don't know why some numbers are in red and the others one not. But yeah, and there you go. This plus principal and need to be 0. Yeah. So this is how we do the tables of amortization, in the two exercises, and we find the table that you need to be the final balance will need to be 0. And we also find every payment with the formula of payment. That is these numbers. And that's it. Thank you.